Let's go ahead and begin with a fun Latin dance posture. Let's go ahead and begin with what's wrong? What the heck? What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I have prepared the leader step for the fun dynamic Latin dance known as swing. So without further ado, let's get to it. We are going to begin with a beautiful Latin dance posture. For Latin dancing, we are going to keep our feet in nice V shape, heels together and toes slightly apart. Ankles, knees, hips and shoulders will be nicely stacked up. Our abs are going to be engaged, chest open and shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated throughout. We are dancing swing dance. Now it is time for us to move on to the steps for leaders swing dance basic steps. For your ease of learning, I'm going to switch my view into a mirror view image so it's easy for you guys to follow along. To start, we're going to take a step to the side towards your left, side together side, and to the other side to your right, side together side, and go back with the left, and replace weight back to the right. That's it. We're going to try that one more time. Triple step, rock, step. Side together side, back, forward. Very good. It is time for us to discuss the timing of swing dance. I'm going to chat out different ways that we count our swing basic steps so it's easy for you guys to retain the musicality of swing. 1, 2, 2, rock, step, quick, quick, slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now it is time for us to try together to the music. Keep a nice posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 2. Keep your feet light. One of the important techniques in swing dance is sway motion. And in our previous Ballroom Latin dance videos, during our follower section of swing dance, I briefly mentioned the importance of sway dance. So if you haven't checked out our previous video, make sure to check it out. And I'll also put the link in the description box below for you guys. Just to quickly review the concept of sway, we kept our feet in nice shoulder width. And we led with the shoulder, followed by our hip. Shoulder, hip in a nice sway motion. This motion gets applied to our swing basic step, especially as you guys are doing the triple steps side by side. If you haven't checked out our videos in Latin dance drills, rumba pendulum, and rocking action practice, I think that practice is going to be very helpful for you guys. So I'll make sure to put that link in the description box below as well. How the sway motion gets applied into the swing basic step is that we are always leading with our shoulder followed by our hip. So as you are stepping to your left, shoulder and followed by your hip, shoulder and followed by your hip. And finishing up with the rocking action and shoulder to hip, rock, step. Shoulder to hip, rock, step. One thing to take note, guys, your sway motion is not necessarily a tilting motion side by side. So I wouldn't want to do the basic step, sway, sway, and rock, step. You might be cute, but that's not gonna be a proper sway motion for swing dance. So make sure to keep a nice posture throughout and adding a gentle and appropriate sway motion back and forth into your triple steps. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed learning this fun, dynamic swing dance. And if you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another dance. Bye!